In this quick video, I'll show you how you can block someone on Facebook Messenger without them knowing. So if this helps you out, please do leave a like and comment down below so we can push it to some more people. And let's get started. So what you need to do is open up Facebook Messenger, make sure you're logged in, and then click on your profile icon, which is in the top left hand corner. And it's going to bring up this menu here. Now we can scroll down and we're looking for the people tab. So click on people. Once you've done that, go to blocked people, and here we can click on add someone. Now what we can do is search through all of our friends lists and we can find someone that we want to block on Facebook. Now I've only got myself as a friend, so I'm going to click on myself. And here you've got two options. You can either block them just on Messenger or you can block them on Facebook. Now if you block them on Facebook, it will block them completely and they will know that you've blocked them. But if you block them on Messenger, you just won't be able to send each other messages, and you can read the whole thing, but you'll still be able to see each other in groups and things like that.